Tonight is Friday, and in Penang, that means Pasar Malam. I'm at Pasar Malam Van Praagh, along Jalan Van Praagh in Georgetown. This night market only appears once a week, but when it does, the whole street comes alive. The market stretches a long way with food on one side and non-food stores on the other, clothes, pajamas, phone accessories, everyday things. Crowds build after 7. Come around 6, it's easier to move, browse and eat. Food is the main reason to be here. Prices are friendly, so you can try more than one thing. I start with lekor, crispy outside, dense and fishy inside, salty in a good way. Best eaten hot, straight from the stall. That turns out to be the theme of the night. Some food like satay or nasi lemak doesn't travel well. By the time I eat it back at the hotel, the smoke is gone, the rice has cooled and the magic fades. Lesson learned. This is a market for eating here, not later. If you're in Penang on a Friday, come early, bring small notes, wear light clothes and eat while the food is still hot. This is how a Pasar Malam is meant to be.